to subscribers too. To subscribe,
Baby. To every key, there's a lock. To every bird, there's a flock. To every boy, there's a perfect girl, yeah. To every wolf, there's a pack. And there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. To every bumble, there's a bee. Trouble, look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good, there's a bad, sometimes you're happy, then you're sad. It evens out eventually. To every lie, there's a twitch, every tear, there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Oh, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby,
Crisis that I come from here, come here for now. See, look at crisis guy can't breathe. Come like to show I'm losing my kidney. You should call all the dirty man here too, you know. Hello? What you mean wagwan? Hello? A 3 day now, you look at crisis girl and my friend broken in my apartment up, they come fight me and for now. Right about now, I don't my mother. From that, I don't go back up because you see through me I breathe. And I don't want, I feel to make me want blood up, on me. Hands when I go drop on my picnic shoulder and I go cross this man. You try come down here now, you know. What you mean by? Oh, you feel no know. The little dirty woman where you tell like a mule woman where you there when you can't breathe. No tell us she and her friend force them apartment and come create a scene. Me say, me have to protect my belly because you look at the girl that I want to kick out my pitney. Because my sister and my pitney, she come for me lose, you know. My sister and my pitney, she come because the girl can't breathe. The girl try to make me lose the belly. You cannot tell me no phone show my ears. What you mean I lie me and tell you? You see me walk tell lie on people? Ever see me walk tell lie on people yet? Right now. What you mean by me have to give a few minutes? Few minutes like how much minutes so? Okay now, me need to go to a doctor. And guess what now? The only reason why I'm not gonna retaliate is because I'm gonna sue your wife. Yeah. So you see all of what she never want to give, she have to give it now. Yeah. Why you think we just take it calm and easy? Watch me and her nastiness. Cause I'm me tell her if she can't breathe, I'm gonna tell me about how she can't breathe, she just never ready. What that have to do with me? That has something to do with me? You see all the girl there? You see the girl with me now? You see the girl look at idiot girl, look at helper girl who I work with her, where I push, the look at helper girl there, watch me and she. That's a hey, I'm not even drink my soup when they at me and wait till it cold. And then think of peace and safety. Especially a girl that broke her hungry and have the money. Watch me and her. Me say my ribs come like say it fracture. What you mean by me no must go doctor? Hello, me need to come right now as I say I need some money. And it never end well. Remember me tell you that it never end well, you know. Right now, me I give you 5 minutes. Don't ask me nothing about my mother, that's not your business if mother there or she not there, you're not. Just come right here right now, okay? Make it 5 minutes. Come off my phone. say, my girl, she not even put anything on to her. Because she can pay me some money in a courthouse so she never imagine. What's what you mean now? Yeah, man, no worry, man. She think that peace and safety.
Why is that? When man have everything in their eye, they still go cheat. After everything me have been through, you still there with the girl. Eh? Something in your throat. Something in your throat as me talk. Something in your throat.
You don't feel too good.
You don't feel too good, but you better feel good today, yeah? Wake up and feel good.
Much liquor give me, baby.
Listen now. Continue play with me.
No, play.
Continue play with me.
Listen to me.
Alright.
Alright, listen to me.
So the girl still there. You still there with the girl. You still there with the girl.
This a boy. Why would I do that, baby girl? Me make a mistake and it's just that you had to come out of a mistake. That's all. We don't understand that.
Well, this a girl go up there. I'm going for the girl. I kill me, I kill her up there now. So you see all the way you put me through.
Babe, I don't want her. You know? Let me tell them.
What do you mean you don't want her?
You know, who can want her?
When you don't want her?
What want her to do? What want her to do?
What you want her to do?
What me can want that girl to do right now? Me I say it's a mistake because what went on is that me tell you say, you know, it's a buck up thing. And that was it. And then me kind of, you know, it's not saying me have feelings, but me just kind of went soft now, like a bag juice. You know, with the whole situation. I feel good, baby.
You know what I say? You know what I say? Looking at me eye. And tell me say, you don't want the girl.
I don't want the girl.
Looking at me eye and tell me say, you don't want the girl.
Yeah, me knows it hurt me.
I might slap you and make you have to move out at you. Looking at me eye and tell me say, you don't want the girl.
Me don't want, me
Look straight in me eye. You must think like, you feel like say me a laugh with you.
Me not laugh. It's a laugh on my face.
Eh? Looking at me and tell me.
What baby, what me pick up there?
Looking at me.
Me no want the girl. Me no want the girl.
So where you dry supper?
Because I want to stay longer a little bit for you.
Why just ask me, why am I go up there? You don't have no question in this right now. No question
but
me.
You're not like that. I don't understand why you do that.
Because you made me a monster. That's why I go up there. Yeah. Me are the good girl, I know me a bad girl. Because of you.
And then so
because of you and your dirty shenanigan self.
remember saying when God will make human being, everybody have a factory fault. And that was my factory fault. And that's it, me done this one. Me don't want to feel like
so she a breed?
Yes, she a breed because she alive.
Me say she pregnant.
Oh, she pregnant. I saw me here. I'm not even sure.
And I fear.
You sure it's not can't for me? You know what kind of girl that? A stripper and be, you know?
What do you mean by I can't fear? What do you mean by I can't fear?
A stripper.
I know me run every profile from that the girl, that the girl know stripper nah. That the girl name take people, man. Here? And me done talk. And a matter of fact too.
Hey, hello? No. Yeah. Alright, no problem.
Well, me I talk to my over my phone.
Well,
Anybody will call her, come off now.
yeah, man. See, yes, we do. And construction people.
Which construction? Which construction?
We work in a bit.
Remember say, hey! Remember say, you know what? I did that tell. You forgot? So I'm here to take for that. Give me this.
So who's
Give me the phone.
So who's
Give me the phone, let me see. Me say, give me the phone.
No, before me see me, I'll show you the phone.
Let go me on.
I'll show you the phone.
Let go me on.
No.
Let go me on.
Mr. Me show
Let
you.
me see the phone. No, sir. Give me the phone. before me take this and lick in your face with it. Give me the phone.
Me a man or me a mascot? Me a what?
You're a mascot.
So if
Yep. Give me the phone.
the phone it just dead a while ago.
Give me the phone.
The phone just dead.
Dead way.
This
Dead way.
the phone
Dead way.
pesticide. It
Dead
never
way.
work.
This dead. This. Where's the lie? Where's the lie?
Ah, you see, stop with foolish sister, man. What if you take this and you 2 more times?
Where's the lie?
You have to wicked.
I'm lick your back. Where's the lie? Me see how you call you. Damn bright. If you got some face full of too. Somebody not save.
You become a test.
I'm ring you back and see how it's construction.
Baby, you're not like that stuff. You know, are your friend? Me feel say your friend are influence if you do them something. Because this is not like you. Look at my pretty wife. Eh? Me love you, my wife.
You know what? Don't stop. Don't chat to me. Don't chat. Lock chat. Chat to me back. Lock chat.
Look how you buy me car, baby. Will you see me go there to you?
Eh?
You buy me car out the door. Why me go there to
You
you?
see the car me buy your back?
Don't find the option car. What you say?
No, you see the car me buy your back?
Nobody say. Fuck
Listen,
no.
no. You see the car me buy you?
What no?
Me want it for 1 week.
You can't get it for a week, man. Come just drive for you one.
Me want it for you now. My car gonna garage. So I want your car for a week.
Alright, anytime you're ready, baby.
Yeah?
Make it sound like something I'll stop you. I'll stop you.
Yeah. And at the workplace,
Who want it?
one of the youth them me fire them. So me go wide if you come.
Me?
Listen to me. Me
Yeah.
I go want you there for run certain things.
Yeah, me,
because he want to there run the things them run at the back, me fire him. So me I go want you there for run certain things.
Remember, so we talk about this, so we now ever work at the same place because it is not, how many I say, it never work out. For man and woman, a couple and working at the same work, it never work out yet. So we know we are going to bring that in for now, people school, man.
It never work out yet.
Listen, I'm hungry.
It never work
It
out
never
yet.
work out. I'm hungry, babe.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some food and come
Hello,
back.
me I lay off then.
Me?
Me I lay off at the work and me I will lay off at the work for some time.
Why?
You understand?
What make?
Why? You really want to know why?
Yes, what make you
Oh,
like
you really want to know why?
Oh,
You really want to know? Somebody come out for the family planning. I'm
you,
pregnant.
Me know you tell me that already. Yes, but...
Go on. I'm going to go doctor today without you.
Oh,
In my jacket and my pants, I'm just take my hat. Yes. I do an ultrasound.
Oh, I see. Wait, do for it.
What do you mean by what you say?
Alright, I'm soon come, I get weak.
Eh?
I
Yeah,
want to drop down. Later, you're big. Later, I'm soon come.
Yeah. Think me an idiot. Watch me here.
Problem, you know. Wow.
What do you mean by want me? Don't touch me.
You see. I don't know what
Ah!
How is it going now? They really beat you up?
You mean if they really beat me up?
Because when she come home, she beat me up. Me not understand why I go on. Take my phone. I text you, take my phone, I'm not calling you. You feel
Sometimes
sometimes...
you want to go clown, you know. How can a man you really be make girl beat you and take away your phone?
So if me beat you now, if alright, say for example, me beat you now, what kind of man me be? Again.
Beat who?
Beat woman. Suppose to put me on pan and give you two left and right. What kind of man you go see me be after that? Who no beat me, what kind of man me be? Me beat you, what kind of man me be? What kind of man me fi be now? Me not have no rights.
Put the girl in her place, make sure you know say you're the man in the relationship.
Babe, listen, me no love the woman, me no want the woman, you know. I don't even know. Me tell you this already, that you me want. No, you breathe for me every
And
time.
then tell her too, so you don't want me.
Who said that?
She.
She tell you that?
Mm.
Allah you tell.
She said me force myself by you.
I miss you like crazy.
She said me force myself by you. You say you don't want me.
So you believe that? What you believe? Tell me what you believe then. Tell me what you believe though.
Me go sue your girl.
So her for. Come on, baby. Nobody the phone.
Exclude. Where's that?
Just done this, man.
No, you lie. Come down to the police station, not police hands. I'm a liar for the place.
Which liar? You can't afford liar? Eh?
I don't mind me, you say thing, no?
So what you do? I'll give you liar something eh?
My liar of the case.
Which you say liar of the case, but if you afford liar, you can't afford liar. Yo, you cheat on me?
You know something about me?
You cheat on me with liar?
You know something about me? Tell us something. I want to me. I'm not fool now. I'm a little money save up. I'm not idiot.
Right,
I'm not wait for fight, but I went not to fight. But I say like girl, she go pay what she not have.
Me know why your mother hear me and your cousin, because I must say we done. She not like me already from man.
She don't feel like it because you're dirty man. And you make this to her daughter.
Who am to her daughter? She just love you. I mean, no want nothing to do you. And this is no reason for you to treat me so. And my fault. So my fault everything. Remember say you know say me have been wife before everything, you know. And you agree, so I know my fault.
Our fault, it's my fault.
When I say your fault neither, but I just understand situation and circumstances. So that
me
I say.
Want
what?
$3 million from your girl. She must say she see them ribs fracture and look at my ribs.
Don't you see your ribs? Look at me. Dig up in your ribs and fracture it.
I see my ribs fracture. Yeah, idiot. You don't see the bruise then. You don't see the bruise.
Yeah, I see the bruise funny, but I don't say fracture. I can't see it.
Oh, so you're a doctor now.
So yeah, give me. Me an X-ray machine.
I the doctor them tell me.
Me an X-ray machine.
Go on here, yeah. Can you see me now? You want to get mad at my mother house there, you know?
No, man, babe. Excuse me.
Excuse man. Let go from me, man. I'm tired of you, and I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you, girl.
Every time you tell me, girl, what you talk about? Eh? Nobody doing something, man. I think they need to. I love you very much. I know you can change that.
Well, look, me send the Malaya, I'm going to write her and send the papers them come
I don't really want you to so because I'm afraid that a while ago, me come out of the car. I want to bite, man. Man, look what me like say. Man say, wake like yeah, you know my face. But I said instead of myself. Eh? Hear me, I say. Just forgive me, man. You understand me, I say? Everything will alright. Everything will alright.
Everything I feel alright, come, but we don't call that $3 million. They make nice.
Well, if you collect $3 for you must come use no.
Eh? What you say? Not dollar you can't get out of it.
So you say?
These the people and things, they call the people in place a class with people and things.
Alright, baby.
Remember that me yard me there? And that me yard me there where your wife a pay for. And that's how the girl find me, you know. Can you make the girl go in your phone?
I don't think so.
So how she knows how this me live?
I think the woman was she married one girl that she get the
little
information.
mongrel dog we have a walk back at her.
Yeah, man, I like the girl neither.
And this is she, watch me
the
now.
girl don't like me neither, but
Watch
you
me now.
no man, about the violence. About the violence. You did. Come on,
I'm not okay, not more right about now. I'm just ignorant.
Alright. Come on, water maybe a little bit.
Listen!
Water maybe a little bit.
You must be mad.
So you want to pregnant when you're pregnant?
After my body under so much pain. When your dirty wife and her friend working at my house.
All me I said to
But
you
you
is,
still lie down with you?
but so wonky baby. We have to water baby head, baby have to come
Look
to
how
school.
most you not have no baby if you talk about.
Sorry,
What a good, but myself, because through the care Cambridge, you know what I care the opinion? But a lie she a tell. Because the opinion coming in Jesus' name.
No, not me, baby.
Oh.
You mess it. I'm going to go back and read on the program. I'm going to talk to my deed. I'm tell her some things. I'm tell her some things right now. I'm tell her.
Yes.
I'm mother. Listen, man. My mother.
Yeah, man, go on. But I love because guess what? No, I don't want to kiss no.
What I mean, no kissing. So can a relationship we have no kissing.
I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood right now. I call you for make you know say me.
Watch me go, I do that wicked.
I like you
That
say,
box
she might beat you up again.
No, because you can't do that. I'm going to make sure you say for this movie. But you know, I do that. I tell her exactly what I want. You can't be able to your school, no man. Alright.
You're going to tell her. Tell me now exactly what
So when you going to go to the apartment?
My son go back home. I just have to start out certain things.
Alright, cool. For your friend over there. You could try to think in boy.
Yeah, you just are worry about the wrong things them.
Because I know say you
You mean what? First you just come and me tell about liar, what about me do with liar? I'm going with you and go kiss your wife. Me not kiss him, me ignorant right about now. You see? But me not understand you know. You see the time when you stand up as a man and I can show the woman say he's a man that day there. Me go start up respect it. But you not act like you're a man. First one before they call me bitch and they
No. I'm tell you that was a mistake. I tell you I'm sorry for the phone. I'm tell you I'm sorry, but just underwork the situation. Babe, later, here come what you call me.
I dirty woman come talk about black. Me black and me beautiful. What is our problem?
Later, here.
Yeah, take
This
care
one
of
goes
yourself.
out to my special baby.
Me not call it, but me lie when me calling your wife.
Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up.
Yeah, go on.
Hey, I'm a general.
Good while I'm not seeing you, brother.
Man, like you may not see good while, like you're going with beer things.
Brother, I say, yo, beer things are going with me. Not even me are going with beer things, brother. But I tell you, because you know I want still for certain circumstances where, you know, me kind of I play the game. You know what I mean? But the game I'm going like you want to play me, you know.
Hey.
Yeah, man. You kind of
Come around, my friend. I am most of you. Come around.
brother, yo, stand, I say no.
Sorry. I told me I have to do your work, I'm not really, I don't know, you know.
Yo, come around. Now listen to me. Give the medicine. Come around.
Yo, now, brother,
Give the medicine. Come around.
Run me, go run him.
One reason I'm look for long. Let's see, my friend.
Let's see, what's up?
Let's see it, man.
Wow, tell you story. Yo.
Oh, go on.
What more coming in here, boy? Fear woman, Marika, see? You feel say she boost up certain vibes where, you know, I'm not a liar. I feel like I should tell for my wife what I'm going with Jessica.
You know, I say for your woman a good girl smartly, you know, but watch out, you see for my girl too, I want to look at corruption smartly, you know. Yeah, man, I want to listen, me now. I want to me all tell her, say, oh, you might use the emote too much. I be a chat, me I go on road and I hear people a chat. And I tell me be things about her and then they get to my brain bad man and I talk to her about it, you know. You know, she look at me and say, nothing like that, man, nothing like that. Me and the boss close. This and that and this.
Me tell you what go down. You know, so she and for my wife, go down and Jessica go give him some lick. Nearly pick the one that nearly lose the pitney, brother.
Yeah, so kind of foolishness.
Brother, that me I say, cause now man, if my wife don't boost like that, she's a coward. You understand? I'm just call me say.
So a boots in.
Me feel say a boost in. Someone you talk to her, brother. I make she know say.
Brother, between me and you, I talk to Marika go, talk to Marika come. And you see true, I know for me pitney, I can't just take her up in a hand certain way. Because what? Me no want to hear say me a beat people pitney and I know for me. So you know me
that, man.
Me just want her and talk to her, tell her, so watch you know, her mouth I go put her in a problem. And watch you know, come like say, all me a tell her say her mouth I put her in a problem. Come like say, nah, like he is no boy.
Brother, right now, no, you don't understand what I'm going.
You
don't understand.
You
I'm
understand
last, brother.
yourself.
Because you know, I really read the two of them same way. I don't read none of them more than none. And then also, this one I got pregnant, and you know, say for my wife, she can't pick me, brother. So it's that kind of really jam me more for just want everything to work out. You understand?
Brother.
Yeah, I'm not like that, brother. Half a year, then I wake up and I reckon next half a year. Tell her that.
Nah, man, 3 months. Yeah, tell me, brother.
Too lazy.
Little medicine. Saying go on sometimes. Sometimes
I'm not changing, man.
nah change. I mean I try reasoning sometimes. Come like say I get worse. But what me I say now, your girl now about some like tell my girl about her certain I can nose. My brother can nose to hear about certain way. And you know, say a long time I want to see if I can free, but I true, me not see as me I tell him, me not see you. Because yes, I hit me a try share say he's a busy man. Me not see you none talk.
That I think.
And when me glimpse, me always glimpse, you know. Listen, no meds him, man, no meds him, I say he stay. He like this, and that's why he take up a rake. And you see when you're forward in that succums, he just grab it. Because he want to know where we depend and where we are reasonable. That's you know, just so far, man, from way over there, so become way over here, so here with business. Same stay.
Man for the man, but I say that.
Same
But
stay.
yo,
He
brother,
style me, you know.
try to see if you can talk to Martha first. That me I say right now. Because she needs to understand herself. You understand? Because even if my wife a talk about shit, say she want.
A man don't talk about.
Wrong right talk.
Watch out, go on, man. A while ago, me ask you a question. You deal with Melissa and then you have to
So you
ask
can't talk to
Go on,
your
fire
man
yourself,
yourself.
man.
And this time I make talk to man for you.
Yo,
Watch out, me a wheeling.
yo, wait talk. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man, me a go into
Ah, brother, me
Yo,
can't
we know to
understand.
talk to girl, you know.
Yo, me not say no. Me
Yo,
not say
go on,
no.
yo, brethren.
Yo,
Me a wheeling. Watch out.
Yeah, we talk.
Check me, come on, me a there around, I bar around, same place
Yeah,
where you
yeah.
normally link.
I like you know different from my brother.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Woman traveling with girl so far from to reach us up. Why on a big man walk this?
You know, say,
Oh, that was.
I just feel like we just step in your face.
Babe, come now, relax.
Huh?
Just, come now, relax. Relax, the man.
Don't touch me.
When me say don't touch her.
Because me not understand, you know. Me not understand. Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl alone. Don't touch me.
So we can't turn up that bed, babe.
Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl.
Who say me not for girl? Me not go around the back. Me not check her.
What is the way you want?
Listen.
What is the way you want?
At 3 days now, me no for the day when things go on and so forth, me no see her none at all. What you talk about?
Shut up and tell me no lie.
Me not tell you no
I is
lie.
a liar. Don't tell me no lie. You think me an idiot?
Me not understand why you have this mentality to say, me still a girl. Me no love the girl, me no want to do nothing with the girl. What's the matter with you? Everything gone through the gate. Eh? Are you me love babes? You don't know what I already, man. Are you love me too?
Let go my hand.
You don't love me too? Talk to me, you don't love me too?
Me don't know what to say right now.
What do you mean you don't know what to say right now?
Me don't know what to say right now. You see, my mouth all I get lower than oh. You know,
That's not exactly, that's not you, baby.
You understand? No, but me wake up with people and pit next door now.
Babe, just relax, man. Come. Just calm down, man. Touch your foot and relax, man. You're not going to get a massage. You walk too much, man. Relax, man. Phone and relax.
Check out that dirty filthy.
Yo,
Don't
what the
put
fuck?
that dirty filthy hand on me. Your touch now entice me. Don't touch me.
babe, where you going at right now? Because we are going round and round like a magic school bus. Me not like that something like, Just relax the man and make you just live happy. You know? Me don't want nothing to do with her and me promise you that.
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
So we call evil.
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
Which evil?
Don't jump out a frying pot and jump back in our.
Me not understand what you talk about. Right now, it make no sense to me.
Remind me no sense.
It make no sense to jump in this frying pot.
The girl are gonna be there to your life.
This a life, yeah? No, man, that's somebody foolishness, man.
Right.
Eh?
Alright. Go on, man. Are you ready to go on a show?
No, it's me like on the bed.
No, man. You can't go on the road. I need some time for myself. So go and go drive your car and go on my business.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna buy some ice cream. And thing here.
You're green all around. I don't eat ice cream. So your girl name ice cream. If you tell me, you know something name ice cream. And you could tell me you buy me ice cream. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me. Me eat ice cream to you.
Me love son. I sleep. You catch me.
I want a seafood boil.
No problem. The card. You card.
Use your card.
No.
I don't give a flying shit. Use go get money. Go out there and go get money.
Stop, babe. Stop, man. We go so far in a situation or something. We go too deep now. This I got to one point where there's no return, like a life and death situation. This I got to. Okay, you not stop. You just go. When you gonna stop this, baby?
Which one way you go and go?
You.
Which one way you go and go? Are you a go and go?
No, I'm done.
Mommy, I go and go. Hey, this is go on, man. Go on. You just a talk, and me head hurt me. Go on, you go. Man, let me lose it.
Me don't take a. May I use your card? You know something on the money. Something on your back say you come talk about me use my card. Card run on the money for me?
Try use my card, you see. Remember go on my phone and see. I see 5,000 come and fight. Cause that's for my C4 boy. Plus one me one on the side. You see what I'm saying? Just try. Try and you see.
Yeah. Soon come, yeah?
Oh. You come back for your like here. Hello. Parker. Go and check me now. Yeah, me the home. Come in. Probably say you knock the door. Me hear the door knocking up, me just can't answer.
So, your boss, yeah.
I don't really understand what I'm going. Honestly, I don't really understand what I'm going. When I say you're funny, girl.
You're from this girl.
You know what, girl? You know me.
Oh, that the girl there?
Yeah, the girl where I take my husband.
Well, I don't know, miss, but I feel like something wrong with your husband. I feel like a tired in time or something you have to go find.
No, obviously something wrong with him. Because me beat the man. And me beat him and he still not left from over there so. So me don't understand what really are going. Me don't know what over there so, what he not get over here so. Me don't know whether the girl they do, whether the girl they give me
no.
no.
Matter of fact, when you see that the girl there, because she not working on. All things she do a little yard and sleep and then when he come in skin out. So I don't know what your husband probably she do it better than you, I don't know. I truth.
You better than me. You see the body? The body a high class, top class body.
And then you go for your lower class and
you understand? Him are the second man me ever do something with. That for sure you how. I am not sexually active. You understand?
Miss that now nothing for
So, nothing but, she could use her mouth.
oh, you're
Cause
not
that I want him, and no, don't do that. I don't use my mouth.
Well,
Don't do that.
probably
I have
not
something
trying.
that is very blessed underneath here to use my mouth. You understand? But me love the man. Me love the man till me fool, girl.
You can see.
And me don't know what else me I gonna do. Only thing left to do, I kill him.
Eh?
No, me just say only thing left to do is this man come like he want me kill him.
No.
Cause if
that's
me
not the
busy
part.
me in a ear, me talk to him in a ear, only thing left for me do is not kill him.
Me gonna kill the woman and why you want to kill the man?
I am just saying. I am
But
just
It
saying.
makes sense to kill the man because then see when time you're gonna kill the woman and go find my next woman and then I see same problem start again. So kill this what the man do.
Me not understand. Me not understand how I go on. This thing just I get on top of my nerves right now. You feel like me I go mad. You feel like me. Imagine
Let's take it easy.
some things are going on me right now. Me myself can't even imagine.
But I realize you're buying back a car. So how often you buying at this time?
My name,
Again.
yes,
That's wonderful.
my name, and camera inside of it.
Eh?
Camera the inside of it.
So you know so when you go pick up a girl.
Eh?
You know so when you go pick up a girl.
No, that is the next thing. Me not understand why the camera black.
Probably you put one shirt over it or your girl panty or some underpants or something because something wrong there so. So you're not checking out your car why camera black?
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I just this me call if you ask about if you're not here nothing about her, you know.
No. No, you're not about her. But I know say husband now the phone over there. Good as that. When they?
Me run him home, tell him go up on the road.
But you're not idiot.
Come in, I want to see him.
Sorry, miss. Sorry if you just say that. Where you sending for the road from? That
So-
means
so-
you want to
Listen.
Because you send him out.
Hear more if you do.
Go ahead.
Cause me go back up at the apartment, you know. Go look for the girl.
What you mean you go back up at apartment? Left me?
Girl, and listen her and yes. Me go back up there, go look for the girl and she not there. She move out. So me don't remember if I didn't know. You remember the nosy boy? What did I say if none we don't want him? Or will you go up at the apartment for the girl?
Oh, the brown boy then?
Yes.
Oh.
Him.
Who
I
want him?
want you to find him. When you find him and ask him say which part the girl there. You know how to do your thing. Ask him which part she move go. Cause me need to find out which part the girl there. You understand?
As soon as me left, someone go do that.
Yeah.
Today, right?
Yeah, but you just can't go and ask him say where the girl there. You have to just like
Miss, me know what to do my thing.
Okay,
You know
okay.
Tell me what to do.
alright.
Yeah.
So do that for me.
Now I'm all praise. Later,
Yeah, later.
I have some stuff on the right place for done. Remember, I have some papers to sign.
Yeah, might as well just go make you bring them come to me now. I'm kind of lay off.
Alright then, we can do that. So later.
Yeah.
Oh, you find me?
I know, sir. Ask me to the action now.
Yeah, search me. Me feel special, you know. There's somebody that search me, you know. So what's the code now?
Well, I want to favor me, I beg of you, but
Favor. What kind of favor?
alright. Remember a girl already calling today?
Why? Me I tell you.
You know something do the girl a bad though. You want to lick and slap man, kick and box and give the girl I'm thinking dead.
You never get nothing too wicked and
When am I gonna do the girl some man? Jesus Christ, man, if I didn't jump off I steer and break my foot and run, it no sense.
I'll be a friend still when we get to understand.
My friend.
But anyway, you know what she did?
Boy, I tell you the truth, man. From the last time I saw him kick off a piece of jam, my ties up there, I don't see the girl there.
I don't see her.
But different though. You look nice though, man. I tell her. Jesus Christ, man, I wonder which boy come around here in the princess. From the day that I admire you, you look nice. I tell her.
Alright. You know I can't get the princess now.
What you mean, man?
Get the princess unless I play your cards right.
Me play all cards right, you know. I mean, said floss, straight and cheese.
Alright, so and before them combine, just tell me what she did and I will get anything I want.
Oh God. Yeah, move like a tough, you know.
No, I won't like me tough.
I don't like you moving, I move like a man. Yeah, man.
They're no man, but just work with the phone, man. What you say? I mean, once you know what she did, you know. Play
Oh, you know, send me know what she did.
because we get to understand it one of close.
So one time you come to see me, you say me and her close. Why Jamaican people stay so? Everybody they will see you grown, they say you're your friend or your woman. You can't judge a book by cover and you have to go in a hit. How what you try to do? I think I try to frame me. I don't know nothing. I don't know what she did, I don't know what she turned.
Yes.
I don't know nothing, you know. That me I try to tell her.
Alright. You see, if you don't tell me, I will ever move, me blow off this thing lesson.
But tell me now, at this you really end up to some my life you want to take.
Yeah, go tell me what she did.
Alright. You know what I say? You know, we up my mother yard up on one corner, I want to park, I want to corner, I want to park. Around the social, you know. I saying, you up my mother, when I want to corner.
I understand the information there.
Me saying you're alright.
Can me which part she did? Can me which part she did?
Okay, but you want to kill me? Yes.
Bro, I'm not going to do nothing. So, I'm coming so simple.
All you did with me, you know.
Move.
All you did with me, you know. You know, say you did with me because you know me like and you like me. I just say I did with me, so.
You know, I think
You know.
so. Why you make me have to go through it?
But you know, as I step on the street, I can't really give people information like that, you know.
Then come lead the way, man.
So you lead the way, you know.
Oh, me for lead the way, man, and me I go.
Come on.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So Mr. Castle, what me mean by? Eh? When you come on beach and come to look, man? Eh? So where that beach?
You come to enjoy me, say me call you tell me they can't come.
What you mean say me call you? Eh? What you mean say me call you? Eh?
What you want from me?
What you mean say me want from you? Yes, girl, I say me love you. I don't even know that.
Which one?
Me don't love that one there, you know.
I thought you tell her to say hate me.
What you mean say me tell her that say me hate her?
That one say.
So She said that to you?
Yes, sir, what you want? What this visit is about? Come call you and tell you want to go to the beach, so you cannot come. So what you expect? So you say you can't come, me not left my yard at the beach?
As somebody call me and say over here, you know. Send me other woman over beach by herself. And it look like she a look man. Eh? The man will go beg look water for wash off him out. And who him be?
I don't know the man.
When me say don't know the man?
Come if you know him from me, I see the water and I pipe. Some of the stuff I beg the man to water wash off before. What you talk about?
No, so style me smartly. You cheat for me?
Yeah, but with you. You have your woman.
You cheat for me?
No, with who?
You sure that?
Who made you put away there? With the sea water? You see me?
Yo. You not get if you not get you not get what I want.
What one?
If I try to break your party, we have a we must have a family in your belly you coming up. You forget that? Eh?
Okay, now you see, as far as me.
What you want? What you want? You want me or what? Me I try to work it up because
I want to enjoy my life. To me, so pregnant lady, my mind tell me, say, I want to go beach,
Yeah.
So now because you can't come, that means me not go.
But remember say, if we left that the woman there, we dead for hungry. No.
You dead for hungry. Stop saying we. You dead for hungry. Me can't dead for hungry.
A joke this is not joke.
Are you a joke? Oh, you keep on and say we dead for hungry. Oh, me for dead for hungry. Hello, me think you need to choose, you know. For me, cannot constantly pay back and forth game with me and this woman. Is need to choose. What you gonna do? Make me know what you gonna do. Because I can't deal with this no more.
Yo, I be a joke thing this, you know. A joke thing this.
I don't understand them.
Turn up peso.
Ease the moment.
Hold on, I have to take my video.
Wait, no way I'm not going to
Yes,
respond
if
to you.
you move,
I'm not move.
blow off head out and so.
I'm not move at
Right
least.
in the public, you don't believe me? If you said that,
I'm not move, man. Just
move and see. Head show. What is a look of dirty rasta boy and I left the side yellow and I didn't know. How can I walk this style in the man? Shit up. The dirty shit, you man. Think you go home and see this stuff. What can I walk this rasta boy?
Bring me something. You carry home.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
You don't know that.
Every woman you tell that.
Every woman me tell that, oh. Yeah, every woman drive yourself. You can't come in a car because if you come in a car wet and she smells seawater in a car, mean a bigger problem right now.
Food tell your face start man up and the girl.
What mean man up and the girl in your face? So if me abuse the woman means a dirty man and if the technique means an idiot, eh?
Yeah, because you can't say I make woman beat you. You clown?
Go drive yourself.
Don't talk to me like that. You can't talk. You can't say like you can't breathe like that.
I see you love talk about breathe, eh?
Can't don't walk. Oh, well.
I'm going to sit down on the right side.
Yes, I take a little breeze, I know.
Alright. But do you find the boy now?
Mm.
I find birds. And he did not give me look how hard then when I see him. So I don't know what I have to do now. I have to pull a stone from the boy. Go up on him and say, yo, if you never move me, shut off it's an ancient time. I'll tell him, say, if it
I remember that already.
yeah, I'll tell him, say, tell me what a girl did. You know what I'm telling me? So I say, come in. I say, bossy. One time, any boy I walk and go out now, you know. Guess who me see? Fear man and fear and the girl come from beach.
What you say?
Yes, I come from beach. Me and catch a piece of video. So you don't know what's on me today, the video them bossy. You don't know what's on me tell look a dirty boy I say, turn up back at me your sound and move as me blow off your brain. Be time me turn on a video them come up on the video. I run off. See you later. Each then they today. I enjoy the so. But the boy get restless, but me know if he find him, and me know where he live. That easy 1, 2, 3 for the back field. To find out where the girl live.
Well, thanks, you know. Thanks for showing me all the lesson there. Thanks.
No, my poor man, boss. Just take it easy. I guess so. When you get over the phase, you know, because you're only for work in the office for the and we need you. So all of this.
I worry for work and he's also a good woman. So I just not me going now, yeah?
You're going.
Yeah.
You're bossy.
Hmm?
Take it easy.
Yeah man, I'm going now,
I'm
man.
there for you, you can phone for me, you can call for me anytime. There for you.
No. First, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
See me? But I'll take care of this here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
God no money why this money a be so. You want too much, you want all, you want lose all. Where you come from? Downtown. No,
Miss
just
me?
ask her, yeah. Let me say I like vegan.
Maybe see football there for you know.
Let's see. So what was I eating?
It was good, man. I tell you, say, me just hate when me there far from you for so long. You know, you kind of feel, you know, feel good. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes. Well, you know what?
What, baby?
You see tomorrow, me and if you take a trip somewhere, it's a surprise.
Surprise?
Yes.
Mm.
And if it, like we're gonna go out, like we're gonna go around a fireplace, we're gonna, you know, enjoy the view, we're gonna surprise her with a lot of gifts. You understand? Yes, we.
Oh God, I'm excited.
Because from when I'm not to know I'm just run up and down and I have to just sit down and look into myself and say, no, me love me baby, me can't I have to take it easy upon him. You understand?
It's
so
about that time now.
yes, so
Time come.
time come.
Time come, baby.
And there'll be an end, you know. You always have that saying.
Yeah, man, of course. Because
Yes.
sometimes in your life you have to really end certain things. Come like you end the vibes now. To every beginning there's an end. You understand what I say? So,
Yes. There's always an end to everything, you know.
It's sweet, man. Like,
Yes.
me really appreciate how you sound. You sound like you're really up to certain things where, you know, go make the relationship
Give me a hug, give me a hug.
Oh, come on. Come on, go tight now.
Other side, you know. It's very sweet.
I'm gonna say you're cologne.
Yes.
I feel like we have to use it today.
Too expensive, right?
Too expensive to be. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, safe.
But you ready?
Yeah, I'm not lying. I know you might vex me, but I end up spend and buy 2 seafood, but matter of fact 3, cause I'm kind of extra hungry and things. So I eat half one when I check my bridging, and then I end up when I left out now, I get extra hungry and I eat half the next one. So if you see a thing come up on your email, just know say that
15,000.
17.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Oh.
Alright, you sure, baby?
Yeah, I know you have to eat because actually
I feel like once I work out I know.
Work out. No problem, babes.
Yes, so.
Oh. Woo! I tell you, God, make sure you feel good for now, say. You know, you finally just get over the whole she. I'm done with her now. I don't love her, I don't need her. And you me need, you me love, and I only you alone are my number one. You understand me? I say? Yeah, man. Priority, baby. Alright.
Yes, sir. You go inside.
Come on.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on.
Tell me something.
So distracted for so long.
When we can make me come so far in the bushes.
Babes, you know that sometimes we have to go extra miles. You know, remember say how long now we not go for one little honeymoon, you know. You understand? And we have to go through the adventures, right? Right, babe?
It's been a while. You know,
Yes, babe.
it's up so.
Me just like more come out and get some reason, man.
No.
I love it too.
Love you so much. You have no idea.
Yes.
Put on the ice mint.
You know how long you want them to. You know how long you want me to go on far place. Go experience the pretty trees, the pretty leaves. Yeah, you know.
Ice mint date.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, so young coffee.
Babe, me tell you this. Me done with Jessica. You hear me? Me done. I'll never. This is it. From this day, I will never ever go back over Jessica yard. Our business about the baby.
I know.
You understand?
I know.
You know?
Yes.
You trust me?
know, Yes.
Oh my
Yeah, we
God.
just trust me. Must say, you're one and only, you know.
Yes, baby.
So, nothing can come between me, right?
Never.
I love you. Never fail
Leave
you.
ya. Easy.
Yeah, but be different from that. I have a surprise for you. Come out.
Come?
Come out, I guess. Yeah, me have a surprise. Yes. Close the eyes. Open your eyes. Look at this.
This one.
Yes.
Very special surprise.
Very
Mwah.
special.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too much.
Put it in the car, baby.
You know that this Hennessy, right? You have to just enjoy it and you know, long me not take a shot. You understand? Because
No, hold on, babe. No, me understand why you come out here now. Me feel so good.
Yes, what as what I was saying, you know that this Hennessy can be a very little loss. You know, it's a small one, but it can be a loss, right?
Can be my last?
Yeah, like last drink.
Last drink.
Yes.
Last.
How you feel?
I feel happy, but when I
Yeah,
last.
Look on the trees. Oh my God.
Nature, baby.
How you feel?
Me a shape, baby. I tell you, me just. Oh, it's just. Yo.
Yeah. Look there, up in there, so look.
Me know it, man.
Like them little house over there, so.
Yeah, we do.
So hold on there. You feel like say, you don't be fool forever. Eh? You feel like say, don't move. You feel like say.
Babe.
What me say? I say don't move. If you move,
Jeez. No, just take it on your face.
me
Please.
say. You feel like say.
What is for babe? Is this a
You
surprise?
couldn't tell me if you eat that all days of your life. Hey, don't move. Put on for your name.
Please. I beg you. Think about this,
Yo,
babe.
flip
Babe.
out this stuff.
Babe, just think about this now, please.
You see?
Please.
Go. If you touch me, pawn you. Hey,
I beg you. Just think about this.
You ever get a kick in your face? Eh? Eh? You think me not know say? You think me not know say? You had chat with the girl. Eh? You think me not know say? You want the girl more than how you want me.
Babe.
And what's all the girl? Hey! Shut up your mouth and make me talk. So the girl pregnant, you feel like say me a mule. You love her more than me. Eh? Me say come back here, son. Oh, me say stop it. Take up and shut you. Me say if I ever take up your hand, let me shut you. Oi, black chat. You see? Now when me realize it, I never tell her say the end is going to be a last street.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
I never tell her.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Eh?
This will never happen again.
Shut up! Me don't want to hear no sorry. Shut up. Ball to God, no ball for me. Me say shut up. Shut up before me you want me clap you.
Alright.
Shut up. Shut up. You see from when? Come here. Where you get like you and me and you?
Nothing.
Eh? Nothing?
Nothing.
Alright, you see?
Babe,
Yes.
babe.
Jessica? Hello? What is it? Good evening. Good evening. Then also me come to talk to you about something. What's that now? You come on me here there, you freaking violate me. You want to come talk to me about something now?
No, I look come for squash.
Alright. You can come out here and me talk to you. Talk on yourself. Me rather stay here.
Miss, me not do nothing.
But me not afraid
Me not
of you.
do nothing. I be, me know you're not afraid of me, but I be
Miss,
backlash
me
over
tell you
there.
something.
So
You see, I tell you something before you even say nothing. Right about now, me I live for me and my child. You understand? Me not busy about you and your man. So where you say, where you could have
no,
want
me
from
see
me?
say you live for you and your child, but me just come to talk to you. You understand? So this whole thing, me want you to squash between me and you because it don't make no sense. You understand? How we a live, it don't look good. You understand? So me just come to tell us say, what go on? What do you do with me and my friend come for you? I'm so sorry about that. You understand? Because really and truly, you know. You see, our man, me just kill our man.
What?
Me just kill
So
our
what's your
man.
question? Yep.
Me say, me just kill our man.
So you just
So the
kill our
confusion gone.
So you come to kill me
understand?
now?
The confusion gone.
So why
So
you come
here
here with a
what?
gun?
Why I'm coming with a
Yeah.
gun? You know why I'm coming with a gun?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you, I see I close this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you. I just hope you